If you look at number 11, you will notice that it's a two isosceles triangle. If you see the tick mark, this is triangle 1. And we have another isosceles triangle, which is triangle number 2. So, well, let's take a look at where the number is given, 125. Well, I noticed that using a straight angle, it's a supplementary angle. So to find y, all you need to do is do 180 minus 125. So when you do 125, it gives you 55 degrees. So y is 55, and make sure you write down the reason, supplementary, beside it. So it's always going to be 2 mark. So if y is 55 degrees, now we know that because the tick mark is on this side, x and y is not the same. So because it's isosceles on this side, this length, so this angle must be same as this length over here. So this must be 55. So to find x, well, we know that the sum of triangle is 180 minus 55 minus 55. So 180 minus 55 should give you 70. So 70, and the reason is the sum of triangle. On the other hand, to find z, we know that this, we see a tick mark here, so that means this angle with this tick mark, so this angle must be the same. So to find angle z, we know that the sum of triangle is going to be 180 minus 125, which is 55 degrees. But keep in mind, z and this angle, these two are exactly the same. So because we have exactly the same angle, and two of them, we're going to divide it by 2. So that will give me 27.5 degrees. So 27.5 degrees, and the reason is the sum of triangle. Or you could write isosceles triangle. Okay. Next, let's take a look at number 43. Now for 43, I circled it. So as you can see, you have to set up an equation because we're looking for a variable x. When you take a look at this given diagram, we're given 1 exterior and 2 interior. So from yesterday's lesson, I think it was lesson number, the angle theorem number 7, I believe, 2 interior angles add up to the opposite exterior angle. So what that means is that this 2x minus 40 plus 2x minus 10 should equal 3x minus 15. So let's try this. I will show it at the bottom. So 2x minus 40 plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 3x minus 15, right? 2 angles, 2 interior add up to 1 exterior on the opposite side. So I can get rid of the bracket because it's just adding. Okay, so I will get rid of the bracket here. And now what we're going to do, we are going to collect the like terms. So we know that 2x is a like term with positive 2x, and minus 40 is a like term with negative 10. So I will simplify. 2x plus 2x is going to give me 2 plus 2 is 4x. Minus 40 minus 10 will give me minus 50 equals 3x minus 15. After that, we want to collect the like terms. So I want x on the left side and number on the right side. So therefore, 4x is on the left side, so I'm going to bring 3x, positive 3x to the left side, and negative 50 to the right side. Now remember, every time I'm moving something across the equal sign, you are changing the identity by changing the sign. So on the left side, I have 4x, and because positive 3x is moving across the equal sign, it's now becoming negative 3x equals. On the right side, I have negative 15 already. So negative 50 will now become positive 50. Okay, so then let's simplify. 4 minus 3 is going to give me 1x. So I don't write 1. 1 is invisible. And then negative 15 plus 50 is going to give me 35. So therefore, x is equal to 35 degrees. So you must set up an equation every time you are given a variable like this, x.